these are Tyrell's sea salt and cider vinegar and flavoured these also. Yeah, I know I had last video was months ago, so Happy New Year! And that's 25.9 grams. Good. 40 grams. No, 40 grams. This guy is Bad Man on the packaging. That's one's 5 grams. Still got those tickets. Advertisement stuff. You pause the video if you want to read the back. So if you're interested in such a thing. Potatoes and some ingredients for. Oh, read here ingredients for the potatoes, sunflower oil. Okay. I do love something it just myself, so I think these will taste awesome. And here's the crisp. Check what's like just for the heck of it. Yeah. So also got my wool out here. Yeah. Let's check it. That's good. These two are also short, close to Canada. Awesome. I could have these all day. It's so nice. I don't care what vinegar you use. I don't care what vinegar it is. As long as it's just some vinegar, never mind what type. It's just. It's awesome. Oh, it's dry. Oh my God! Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, viewers. This is made from real potato. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Try it. You see it. Not my sandwich. Yeah. Listen to me outside. Shoo. Hey, anyway. How my lips. Hey, my friend. Let's look at the back side. I'll read. So basically it is the ingredients some UK sea salt and cider vinegar, seasoned potato chips, 40 grams. You can win 10,000 rugby balls. It even says it there. That's a ridiculous amount of rugby balls. Okay. For those of you who don't know, yeah, if you rewind it. Yeah, official crisp. So for those of you like, what are these? Well, now you know they're crisps. Okay, so these are very awesome crisps here, but can I not say there's no more? Hey, these are also clutched together. So tell me if you went to Tyrells or Tyrells, have your so I think it's Tyrells. But if you love Tyrells, this is actually the best flavour tea. Yeah. Tastes great. Again, I want to say, you know, if you already love something crisps like me, I think this will be awesome. I found it up to judging to flavour. So, yeah. So, hand-cut English crisps. Yeah. This guy, a barman. Guy at the pub. That guy, man. That guy. That's what it was like before I opened the bag. It's just empty. Anyways, guys. Anyways, guys and girls, see you late. See you in the upcoming episodes.